We all want a home that feels like a safe place, a place where we're loved, seen, and valued, not just living together, but thriving.
And whether you're married, raising kids, living with siblings, or building your future family, today we're talking about what it really means to build a loving home. Let's strengthen these bonds one moment at a time. Family is where we learn to love, respect, forgiveness, and grace.
It's also where wounds can happen, which is why being intentional is everything.
We've made mistakes, we've had hard conversations, but we've also grown so much as a couple, as a team, and as future parents.
Yeah. When you see your family as your first ministry, it changes how you show up every day.
Healthy families talk and listen. Communication is connection. I recently heard, instead of saying, I want to sit down and talk, say, I want to sit down and listen to you.
Here's what's helped us improve our connection as a couple, and we'll pass on to our kids someday. And this isn't a pregnancy announcement or anything. Ask open-ended questions, not just how was your day, but what made you laugh today? Validate your feelings, even when you don't agree. Say, I love you often and mean it, of course. Apologize quickly. Pride kills closeness.
One thing that helped us, regular check-ins. Simple. How are we doing this week? What do you need from me?
Don't just communicate to fix things. Communicate to stay close. We love being close.
That's right.
One of the greatest gifts you can give your family is present.
And that's being present, not giving presents.
Although I like presents too.
And it doesn't have to be a big vacation or expensive outings. It's about shared time, shared space, and shared intentions. So here's some practical ideas: is family dinners, the phones off, maybe a game night, Sunday morning routines, a monthly memory day, even if it's just a nature walk or a movie marathon.
And that's something we love, especially in terms of staying in budget, which is something we talk about in our financial videos. Making those moments count, like Alan's saying, taking walks or having a movie marathon day. Those are things that are inexpensive and great ways to spend time connecting, being together. Your family won't remember every detail, perhaps, but they will always remember how it felt to be with you.
Conflict is inevitable.
What?
But it doesn't have to destroy connection. In fact, it can deepen it.
Yeah, that's right.
Shared trauma.
Here's what we've learned, and we're still learning. Respond, don't react. Focus on understanding, not winning. Use I feel instead of you always or you never. End with prayer or affection, even if you're still processing.
Love isn't just a warm feeling. Love is choosing patience, choosing kindness, choosing reconnection.
Sometimes the most loving thing you can say is, I'm sorry, I want to understand. A loving home doesn't happen by accident. It's built through daily choices, soft words, grace-filled actions, and shared faith.
If you want your family to grow strong, start small. Make good eye contact, speak life, laugh together, pray together, forgive quickly.
Comment below and tell us, what's your favorite family tradition or activity?
And if this encourages you, remember to subscribe to our channel for weekly videos on faith, family, wellness, and intentional living.
Let's build homes that are full of love, one moment at a time.